This is the Mangalore bun. Sambar. Hi guys, we're now at Sri Guru Narasimha Swami temple, and it's quite peaceful. Not a lot of people here, I guess. It's on the main road only. That's the main road. This is the temple. So yeah, the darshanam was very nice. There is a Narasimha Swami idol inside, a small one. Looks very beautiful. So it is believed that Narasimha Swami over here is was appeared in a peaceful Yogananda Narasimha Swami as Yogananda Narasimha, and people not only worshipped him as a god, but they also worshipped him as a spiritual teacher. That's the reason the temple is called Guru Narasimha Swami. It is very beautiful, like I showed you. We have arrived at our next destination. Wow! Damn. హనుమాన్ కాళ్ళు ఒత్తుతుర్రా హనుమాన్ కాళ్ళు ఒత్తండి వా This is some insane location. This is awesome. The Hanuman statue is approximately 80 feet tall, and it is surrounded by all these coconut trees. Gosh, this is very, very giant. और वहाँ पे भी हनी भी. Guys, we are at the Maravante beach. Damn it. वो कलर डिफरेंस है रे. कलर डिफरेंस है बहुत पानी में. Guys, we are at the Maravante beach. There is the river on the other side, and there is the beach this side. This is just beautiful. They made these rock-like T formations so that the water doesn't come here because there's too much pressure. It is raining here, and this is peak beauty. Because the water is also very, like, there are high tides over here and the color is very different. It's amazing, man. It's amazing. It's raining outside. Chicken biryani. Final ga non-veg. Fish. ఏం ఫిష్ ఇది? సుర్మయ్యా? ఫిష్ ఎట్లుంది పాప?
జబర్దస్త్ ఉంది. నేను ఎప్పుడు సుర్మై ఫిష్.
Never did I eat this good fish, and I wanted to eat fish before I left from here, and there you go, fishy. The Malpe beach is closed apparently. 15th nunche close అయిపోయింది because it's very risky. I mean it could rain anytime, so it's a little risky when people go deep into the ocean, so they put these nets over there. Yeah, it's closed here. Okay guys, so the Malpe beach was closed. We came here for the sea walk. Look, that is the sea walk. That's the end point, and that is St. Mary's Island. Look at this. This is the sea walk, and that is St. Mary's Island.
Also known as Epstein Island.
Hey, nahi re, chup. క్రాబ్ హాయ్ చెప్తుంది. ఇగో పాప, ఇగో హాయ్ చెప్తుంది అది. అచ్చా తింటుందా? తింటుంది పాప. Okay guys, so the thing is almost everything gets closed like near the beaches by 15, but the sea walk is open. And the St. Mary's Island over there, like I showed you, there are a lot of activities and the island has a lot of spots inside to take pictures and all of that, but all of that is closed now because you don't know when the weather could change over here. And I mean, even today sometimes it's humid, sometimes it's okay, sometimes it's suddenly raining, so we're carrying umbrellas as well. So that is how it is, but the sea walk is good. It's kind of relaxing, so yeah. Place will remain my favorite forever because at some point in city life when you're all busy and then you are in colleges, office works and all of this, right, all that chaos, and all of a sudden you take a small break from all of that and then you want to like detox yourself mentally. This place is like that, you know. I am a beach person. I won't even argue about that. With mountains, I mean mountains are of course beautiful, but beaches are my favorite forever. So yeah, I love this place. I love beaches. They're just wonderful, man. It brings peace, mental peace over here, you know. You will again go back to that chaos and all that stuff in your life, but then this right here is something that always stays in your heart. Look at that, man. Look at those trees. Look at that view. Guys, we finished the darshan of Sri Basaveshwara temple, and not like every other usual Shiva temple. This is a temple where the Nandi idol is there, because we basically see Nandi idol outside the Shiva linga opposite, but here the Nandi idol is only present, and on top of that there's a Shiva lingam. So it's a very beautiful thing. This is basically, we have to first take a dip in Kumaradhara river, then go to Kukke Subramaniam Swami temple and another temple related to Kukke Subramaniam Swami, and then come over here. But we were going on the way, so we finished. We might again come for darshan here. This is beautiful. So we reached our hotel. This is Hotel Kukke Dwara, which is almost 1.6 kilometers away from the temple. And this is very pretty. I think the temple is inside there. We will probably go to darshan in the evening. I mean, it's already evening now, but we'll go in a while. We'll take some rest. Okay guys, we are now at Hotel Kukke Dwara, like I told, and I love this room. I literally love this room. This is the entrance, and this is the washroom. Censored. And this is the room. It's very neat. It's very neat. Love it. Woo! And yeah, idanta okay. Oh my god, this view is good. Okay, let me show you the actual view now, because that is what is we love. Yeah, oh my gosh, heavenly view, heavenly. It is 7:15 and we are near the temple now. We are going for our darshanam. And a very beautiful temple, and the premises are very big and clean and very neat. There is a kaman for the temple and all of this. and parking. Very nice place. Guys, so it's our last day. We're finishing the trip again with a temple. We started with a Shiva temple. We are finishing it with a Nandi temple. So this is Basaveshwara temple like we came yesterday. But so we got to know that we should first have a holy dip in Kumaradhara river and then go to Kukke Subramaniam Swami temple. And there's another Biladwara Kukke Subramaniam Swami temple. And then we have to come here and finish it. So, and this is a very mandatory thing to do because it is very important. So yeah, we are finishing here again. We came before going to the main temple, but now again we are finishing it with coming here. So about this temple Basaveshwara, there was a demon named Tarakasura who had a boon that made him difficult to defeat. So Lord Subramaniam Swami asked Shiva for help, and then Shiva appeared in the form of Nandi, that is Basaveshwara, and he taught him Nandi Vidya. So using that power, Lord Subramaniam defeated Tarakasura, and it is believed that a part of him fell over here, Tarakasura's part, and it is also believed that to purify and honor this place, a lot of saints worship the cows and they do cattle fairs and all of those. So that is it about this place. It is very beautiful and it is very important to visit this place. A lot of people who have problems and issues in their life come here to Kukke Subramaniam Swami temple as well. So it is a beautiful place, and so not like other temples, like we see the lingam is inside and the Nandi is outside. Here Shiva himself manifested himself in the Garbhagudi and within the lingam on his head. So Nandi is the main god over here. I mean, Shiva himself is like Nandi over here. And this temple is all within the forest and it is beautiful. So it was more of a devotional trip with scenic views, that is what I could say. But it's a very beautiful place, man. Very beautiful place.